A series of procurement delays is being blamed for the fatal fall of an elderly man along the Easington Bridge in St. Thomas this morning. Details in this report.
91-year-old Raphael Bryan died this morning after he fell into a hole on the Easington Bridge in western St. Thomas. It's understood the partially visually impaired senior citizen left home in Woodburn sometime after 7 a.m. to go to a shop. On his way back, as he approached the exit, he fell into the hole on the bridge. A passerby saw what appeared to be a body in the hole and raised an alarm. The police and fire department were called and the body removed.
It's a really destruction, brother. Believe it to God, brother. Yeah, look on the wall of this up. You know how long the whole is place, brother? You know how long the whole is place, brother? So I say, somebody has to be dead. Somebody has to be dead around and for people understand and know you. This is a criminal activity, brother.
I feel bad about it, man. This should never happen because man dropped in there already.
We are appealing again to the authorities to come and pay some attention to the bridge, please.
It has been 5 months since Melissa, 5 months plus, and the authority, NAA, has promised that some remedial work would be done to the bridge in Norris. We heard about several other bridges across the nation. We are concerned about this Easington Bridge, where somebody died this morning because of lack of attention being paid to the infrastructure.
The bridge has been closed for repairs. However, foot and pedal traffic are frequent along the damaged pathway. Member of Parliament James Robertson is blasting those involved in the procurement process for the delay in rehabilitating the bridge. He contends the agencies that have the power to fast-track repairs have been slow to act since Hurricane Melissa worsened the state of the bridge.
This is one of 7 bridges to be built under a 55 bridge program. Money found, granted, and all we can hear is procurement problems. And I am going to deal with, to the best of my ability, all of those individuals who sit on these procurement committees and do nothing but obfuscate good policy.
In the meantime, Minister with Responsibility for Works, Robert Morgan, extended condolences to the family of the deceased and to the residents of Easington and the wider St. Thomas community. He said the Ministry of Economic Growth and Infrastructure Development, along with the National Works Agency, NAA, will continue to monitor vulnerable infrastructure and advance the necessary works to improve resilience and public safety. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.